Hi guys, this is Pranav Karat and welcome to another episode on Keep It Simple Silly. Today we decided to do a little different than my usual setup. I thought I'll just come on to the dais with a whiteboard right here and explain to you about the 7 stages of a pipeline and how to manage them effectively, right? So let's get right into it. So what is a sales pipeline? A sales pipeline is basically a visual representation from the time a customer comes in into the demo and then over to the proposal up till they become a paying customer. All these stages is what comprises of a sales pipeline. So a database should ideally comprise of certain criteria which is extremely essential to understand who this ICP is and how we are managing them. So this should ideally involve the name of the person, the designation, the name of the company, their industry, geography, the size of the account, revenue. Post this, you need to add their tech stack, followed by their email ID, phone number, and you should definitely add in their LinkedIn profile and their website link. Now that we have spoken about the database and what each of this comprises of and all the essential details needed, now we can put them into a pipeline. Now the pipeline comprises of 7 stages. Now let's get right into it. Now let's get right into the 7 stages of the pipeline. The first stage is where you have the customer list. Post that, we got to write about put those people with whom the contact has been made. This should be followed by demo scheduled. Then the proposal that's been made. Followed by if they are the negotiation pipeline. And this should be followed by the customers have won or the customers have been lost. Now, let me show you how this is done on a tool. So guys, this is how a typical pipeline should look like. A CRM or a tool comes really in handy in such cases where you can literally visually see as to what stage your prospects are. Like I mentioned, this is how a tool looks like. In this Intandemly tool, we can even drag and drop the leads and put it onto the stage they are part of. It gives you a complete understanding of how many people are there, leads are there in that particular stage. And this allows you to really manage it and sync it, and you're always up to date with the stages of where your prospects are. And that's a wrap, guys. Today we learned about how we can sequence a database and put them in a pipeline. Until next time, this is Pranav Karat signing off.